Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to get free admin in Ragdoll engine. So join this game. You can screenshot if you want to. Then join the game. As you join, click the group info. Then once you click the group info, make sure to follow the 3 steps. So after you follow the 3 steps, you can get the free VIP commands. Don't use the non-admin, only use the VIP commands. So yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you done all the 3 steps, you can do the VIP commands now, just like fly, or what you can see in the VIP commands at the scrolling. I hope this helped and I hope you enjoy.